All right, those are the top headlines that we are tracking for you on Midcap Radar. The markets, they continue to be lower, but there has been substantial recovery from the lows as well. 50 points from the lows of the day. We'll have to see whether this recovery sustains or not. And Reliance Industries is the one which is leading to this recovery from the lows as well. But that stock continues to be in the red right now. So that is something we'll be tracking for you. The other thing is that while all the sectoral indices are in the red, it's the Nifty CPSE which is higher, up around 0.6%. So, of course, the earnings fine print that is coming through and all the updates that we are getting from the global markets continues to impact the markets. For now, Gujarat Gas's numbers at the bottom of your screen, and the first numbers, they look like a big beat. The net profit has come in at 371 crore rupees versus a poll of 186 crore rupees. We'll have to check for any one-offs there. The revenue is too higher this time around. Quarter 3 was expected to be a weaker quarter because of the sharp rise in domestic gas prices that we saw. Also, users had switched to propane versus gas because of lower propane prices. So that is something which was supposed to be impacting numbers this time. I'll just quickly take a look at what the volumes have looked like and the EBITDA number as well, because definitely it's a beat. The stock has spiked to the day's high. Till the time I do that, Rima, I'll just quickly take a look at EBITDA, also higher at 582 crore rupees. So definitely it's a top-down beat for Gujarat Gas. Just quickly taking a look at the volume numbers as well and see where this big beat is really coming from.
Okay, as of now, there is no exceptional item. So it looks like a margin-led beat, a top-down beat, in fact, for Gujarat Gas. EBITDA margins at 15.8%, a good 500 basis points ahead of our estimate of 10.3%. So beating our estimate by 550 basis points. As Sonal goes through the P&L of Gujarat Gas, let me invite Rahul Sharma of Equity99 Advisors on the show now. Rahul, what have you made of the sell-off that we've seen, particularly in the broader markets? Last week, the mid-caps outperformed the frontline indices. The mid-cap index was up more than 2%, even as the frontline indices didn't do anything. And today, those tables have turned. There is a reversal. Mid-caps are sharply lower. The mid-cap index is down 1.5%. Your thoughts on the day so far? Any trends that you've picked up and the trades that you would recommend?
Yes, good afternoon, Rima. See, for both the indices, I think market is not able to show any decisive moves confidently, and overall setup is looking weak right now. My advice to all our viewers would be to remain stock specific and follow strict stop losses and targets. Particularly talking about Nifty, I feel 17,700 and 17,650 is the immediate support levels, followed by 17,500, which is a bigger support level for the Nifty. And on the upside, I think 17,850 and 900 are the levels which will act as the immediate resistance, followed by 18,000 and 18,000, which is the upper band. And Bank Nifty on the similar view, I think 41,150 and 41,000 are the support levels.
Okay. And what would your individual technical picks be?
See, Sonal, my technical pick today is the first CG Power, which is trading around 331, 332 rupees. Stock has been continuously making highs despite of volatility of the market. Chart structure is very much positive, and still it has not gone into the overbought zone. Trendline breakout on daily charts and weekly charts are visible. It has got good potential to reach 350 plus levels. So the target price will be set at 350 and stop loss at 320 for CG Power. And the second selection is also from the power segment, NTPC. This looks really good on the technical charts. It has been consolidating below its 100 DEMA from few last sessions. Today, the daily candle has overpassed the consolidation and has been trading above its 100 DEMA. So the target levels for NTPC is set at 175, keeping stop loss at 164 levels.
Okay, all right, Rahul, thank you so much for that. Just a quick word on Gujarat Gas's numbers. Of course, it's a big